Back on this Toyota 2008 Sequoia SR5, and this was the one that had the leaky condenser from the fan. So it has the OEM condenser. This is still the aftermarket fan, still not an OEM fan. But if you look here, compared to the other video, that the fan where the leaking condenser was touching the condenser, because we still have the same company fan, but the clearance is correct. On the other condenser that was aftermarket, it was pressing right up against here. The clearances were wrong because of the way they had their brackets, and so it came back. So this is almost going to be $1,000 in repair because of an aftermarket condenser. So now we have an OEM, and it's working good. It's going to work good. It has the clearance and everything like that. And another thing with the OEM, it comes with the factory Denso oil, the correct amount to put in for the condenser replacement. So I pour in the oil. There you go. And perfecto. We are full. And as you can see, 40 cc's Denso ND8, because that's what this compressor uses. And that's what we're putting back in there. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll try to take video of the fan and condenser itself and show you the damage on the fan. This has been a multi-video series of the problems with aftermarket condensers.